Misclassifying a worker is a major compliance risk. ADP needs to know who is on payroll, employee, and who gets a 1099, contractor. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In ADP, employees are set up in the Workers module with full tax withholding. Contractors/vendors are typically set up in a separate, Vendor Management, or Accounts Payable, section for issuing 1099 NEC forms at year-end. The critical decision is based on the IRS guidelines, behavioral control, financial control, relationship type, not your preference. My crucial pro tip: when in doubt, err on the side of employee. The penalties for misclassifying an employee as a contractor are severe. If a worker looks, acts, and is managed like an employee, treat them as one in your payroll system. Consult a labor attorney for ambiguous cases. Build your payroll on a foundation of proper classification. Have you ever had to reclassify a group of workers? What prompted it? For more guides on foundational HR risks, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.